Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these ceiling hooks that we got recently on Amazon. We are finishing up our baby's nursery and I was looking for something to hang my plant. I didn't really know how to install anything on the ceiling, especially a hook. So I looked up on Amazon, found this one. I was a little skeptical about it, but it was the easiest thing I've ever done. It looks very complicated, but it was so easy to install this hook on the ceiling. And it's not on a stud. This is literally on the drywall, and it has held so well. I have another one right here, which is for our baby's mobile, as you can see, and it was the same thing, very easy to install. There was no secrets. I love how this also looks. It's not super thick and not too big. I feel like the size is perfect and you can probably hang a lot of weight on this. I'm really happy that I found this on Amazon and I'm buying more to install other hanging plants that I have around the house.